What's happening, guys? Today I got some, now that I'm done those rocker moldings, I got these kick panels here for the speaker for the 65 C10 there. I'm going to see if this all fits without having to cut anything. I don't know. What would be nice is if let's have a look-see here. Oh, they're pretty shallow. That's good. Pretty shallow. And it's looking like this here. See where the vent goes? Right there. It looks like it just kind of goes over top of the vent from the design that I see here right now. Come on, you sappy sucker. Yeah, they're pretty shallow. Not too bad. Not too bad. No, I don't know. No, it looks like it can go. Looks like it can go. I'll just put it up and down, I guess. Put it up and down, audio sound. So, what do we got for hardware here? Those are nice speakers, actually. Not bad. These kicker speakers, these guys seem to make pretty good stuff. They sound good. So what I got are these cheap screws here. What, that's all that's supposed to hold this onto the cheap plastic? Really? Wow. I mean, seriously. So that looks like it's going to go here. Kind of like so. Put it straight. Straight. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty straight. Well, yeah, this will fit because I can tell already it's not bottoming out on the back of the table there. So we shouldn't have a problem with installing this. So that's good. I know I have one here, right here. See? Viking drill bits. You guys are looking for good bits for, you know, fairly reasonable price. I mean, these aren't the best, but they're up there. They're really good quality bit. And yeah, Viking. We do have them at one of the bolt house suppliers here. Has them under their house brand. There doesn't say Viking on the package, but they're the same bits. Now, what do you guys care? Okay, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. You know, it'd be nice as if I had a white marker, but I don't. All I got is a black marker. How can I do this? How can I do this? I know how I can do this. Let's tape it. Tape it here. Tape it. There's one. Hey, that's pretty good. Down just a hair. Okay. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, let's start with one. Let me get the drill bit stick out a bit more here. I'll drill one and then put a screw just in case. In case I screw it up. Then I gotta prep these after. But I'm not gonna get carried away putting these into the color yet, because who knows if I gotta trim or shave or something with these Phillips. I need a Phillips. Let's get this one. This is how it goes. That's how it goes. Which means don't over tighten it. Don't slip and put the screwdriver into the speaker. Yeah, these are pretty nice, man. Yeah, I know, I got a drill. I don't feel like going to get it right now. It's only 4 screws. Settle down. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. Well, would you look at that? I think I'm going to put this on the back because I just don't want any metal on the magnet. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's just not good. We'll protect the magnet here. All right, that goes there. Where the hell are you? Right there. Okay. Huh. Right there. Just like that. And then the letter goes on top here. Let's put that like that. I guess I could have wrapped it totally. It wouldn't have mattered, I suppose. If you know what I mean. It's just the back is the magnet more important than anything here. Come on, where are you? Oh, for Pete's sake. That can't be right. Just snug, I guess. That's all you need. I think once I put them on for the final time, I might put a little goop on the back side of the speaker just to keep it from vibrations, eh? All right. Let's go check it out, dude. Let's check it out. Let's have a look-see here. Can you see? There. See? Alright, I got the other side here. I got cab corners that I gotta get done. I'm gonna start that tomorrow. Just wanted to get this here in case I had to do some modifications here. Modification, eh? See how this has a bump here? This goes on top of that vent, I'm pretty sure. But the thing is, it starts curving right here. That's what's kind of strange here. And you know, there's no instructions. They just expect you to know everything. It's like this floor is too high right here. For Pete's sakes, man. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. And it can only go on one way because of this vent. And then this is already sticking out here on the bottom. Yeah, see, it's rocking here because it's sitting on the floor. It needs to go here, and look. Ah, yeah, figures. I'm gonna have to smash it down. That's gonna be my new tool now, I think, on these jobs. A 3-pound sledgehammer. Yep, so I gotta knock that down a bit, so it's gotta go down, or it's gotta go over that way, and it won't let me. Probably like a 1/4 of an inch away here from being in the right position. But that's gonna look pretty cool, I think. What you think, eh? Not too bad. And I gotta figure out where I can put the screws here, I guess, too. Don't need too many screws in there. So this probably goes over top of the rubber, I would imagine, or something here. You almost have to have everything in place here to figure this out. It's another one of those. It's not ever just straightforward, eh? There's always some surprise monkey business. But no, that should work good. There's no modifications to do, so that's kind of nice. And if anybody's wondering, these are from Custom Auto Sound, these ones here. And these are the speakers that would come with it. So, and I know these aren't cheap, but you know what? There's not a lot of room in a truck cab. So this is probably the best alternative. And this is a custom build, so the interior is not original. Nothing's original. So this will blend right in. Blend right in. So there you go. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to show you right now, and then I'm going to start cutting up some cab corners. Get these done. Gotta get these done here. The only thing I'm hoping is that cab corner lines up down here with the rocker and all that business. Yeah. Because this goes in right here, and then it goes out again, and then back in. The other one's just, when I'm done, it'll flow originally with the factory sheet metal here. So it should end up in a little bit more right there. I don't know. Oh, mamma mia. Anyways, that's it for that, guys, for now. I guess I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, if there's anything you like about the videos you're watching, please share, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.